Coffee cheers, everyone. Good morning, everyone. You're with Art with Self Illustration. Welcome to today's episode. Okay, my coffee is here. I am on to make some illustration on my sketchbook. I was thinking what to post tomorrow, the day you are watching, because I actually have no idea what to post, but I have some plan to give Valentine's Day wallpaper special gift for this month to everyone through my Instagram. So you can come over to Instagram if you want, because every month I give a wallpaper for you guys. So if you're interested, you can come over. Okay. So I thought instead of doing a long video, maybe I should try doing a sweet and short and quick video for YouTube and see how do you like it. Okay, so I am on my house dress. I'm not gonna change that. I have no such plans. So first step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look forward some inspirations and find at least 4 favorite inspiration. So where I should look: Instagram, Google, Pinterest. Pinterest is my least favorite. That's the first thing I want to do. So I have I wrote down my goal or things or points to be remembered when doing this illustration. So one is animal character. I want an animal character. I don't know, I love animal character very much. I do like human character, but first in the list is animal. Valentine's Day illustration or which can be converted to wallpaper for you guys, and it doesn't need to be cute but unique in my own way, because when you look into the inspirations, you see more cuteness, because Valentine's Day, it's love and cuteness. Then keep portfolio in my mind, so that means I want to create a character that can be used in portfolio as well. More of my palette, not red. So I have to keep that in mind, or else I will go with the red, because Valentine's Day. So I'm going to find the inspiration. So for the drawing inspiration and all, I use Millernote. My life planning, my work planning, I use Notion. So Millernote is a very good platform for drawing inspirations, putting all the mood boards and all. It's very good than Notion for sure. Notion is very good for planning your life or work for sure, writing the notes, taking down the notes and everything. Especially they brought Notion calendar. It's like, oh my goodness, it's life-changing. Your life is so organized after Notion introduced the Notion calendar. It's one of the best features they introduced, I think. Platforms I took open one is Google Image, then Freepik, Pinterest, Shutterstock, and Adobe Stock. Okay, so I found some illustration inspiration. I don't know if I'm gonna use any of this, or I don't know how it is gonna go, but also I do found some of the inspiration on Instagram as well. So I decided I want to do Crocodile Character. I think that is a cool, I believe that is a cool animal character for Valentine's Day, because crocodile is, crocodile is crocodile. So I think I'm gonna do some rough sketch on the book right now, but I do want to open crocodile images. So that's what we are gonna do next step. I think I like this too concept, so I'm using both of it. That's my current plan. Let's see. So yeah, I hope you got an idea. So let's transfer it to a digital. I don't know if I'm gonna take, yeah, maybe I'll take a photo. I don't know. Let's see. So yep, that's the one we are gonna do. Okay, so we are having a rough character idea design. I'm gonna develop that in the digitally. So the app I use is Procreate on iPad. So usually I create a canvas on 3000 by 3000 pixels. So that's what I'm gonna go with this one as well. And what else? Yep, so that's what I'm gonna start. I'm gonna create the canvas, import the image, and then start our work. Start our magic. Oh yeah. So new can either create new from new canvas size and type the width and height. So I am not worrying about any of those. So I have a 1080 by 1080 pixels. I'm gonna open that and click on the wrench icon, go to canvas, crop and resize, settings, 3000 pixels by 3000 pixels, and DPI is 300. So I have 25 layers available and click done. Okay, we are done. So next step is importing the image. Again, click the wrench icon, insert a photo, and the photo is inserted. So I'm gonna develop both of them. I'm gonna adjust the size, and I'm concentrating on this guy first, and then we will develop the other person. Then new layer, reduce the opacity, and this one, and then start the drawing. Okay, we are moving over to time lapse. So the first step I did was tracing the shape and make it silhouette it and adjust the shape a bit to my likeness, and then start the drawing. I had little struggle with the eye to decide how to keep the eye. Should I keep it as original croc eye or just cartoon it? And I'm glad I made the decision to keep it as cartoony. Once this was done, I wanted to give a background, which I had no idea of what to do. After leaving this for 2 days, I thought, why not randomly try a plain background, and I did that. And a portion of that with over the new lovers crocodile become the mobile wallpaper, which you can check over my Instagram story highlights. You will get it over there. All the wallpapers are there, and without the crocodiles, just the plain background become the new channel art for all my art platforms. You can check all of that, which I linked down all my platforms in the description, and that was the 2024 update on my channel. Anyway, so if you do enjoy this one, definitely you know what to do. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe, because all the supports are deeply appreciated. And if you go check my other platforms, definitely give a follow over there as well. It will help my contents to be reach many more art lovers. Okay, anyways, okay, that was the art. That was the crocodile from scratch turned out to be. if so, you know, click a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I know it's been a while. I have uploaded a video. I'm trying to find a rhythm of uploading videos and putting out the contents, art and everything, and slowly start the reopen the shop, you know, all those things. So I'm trying to find that rhythm. Yeah, and also I forgot to update that. Okay, the one reason I was not uploading so many months was after the trip I came, and obviously I had to get my house in order. That was there. Another reason was I fall sick like complete February whole month, and March till I'm sick again. I think you are recognizing from my voice. I had a very bad chest problem that was over, but now recently I had some episodes of breathing issue. So my GP has said I'm having laryngospasm, which is not dangerous at all, but if episodes of laryngospasms comes, it is really struggling to catch the breath. Nothing goes below there, no air, nothing. So yeah, it is a struggle. You can hear that sound. So she is suspecting it is from GERD. The laryngospasm is from GERD. That's what she is suspecting. So I'm on medicine for that as well. 2 months I'm on medicine. Okay. So yeah, that's another reason there was no videos over here. And also I really want to get into more regular contents, uploading and income and all. So yeah, I'm trying to figuring it out everything. I hope I will be able to share more updates soon. So what I should say next? Thought book. So I hope next week again I will be able to give you a studio vlog. That's my hope. And I can show you the more process of creating art, because I'm in the process of creating portfolio. I do not have a portfolio, so I want to create one because my art has grown a bit. It is little more better in a way that I like it. I like to share it. So I think I have to update everything. So I have to prepare all the art in my style, present style. So I'm creating some portfolio thingy. So I want to share that. I'm trying to share that with you guys, and also along with that, so I can find a rhythm to upload contents to you. Anyways, so that is how I'm hoping to share all of that in the next video, studio blog video. I don't know. That's my hope. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. So I will see all of you in the next video, if all goes well, next week, or else it will be in the coming days or coming week. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell on so you don't miss more fun character creation, you know, those things. Okay, so yeah, see you, bye.